What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-118446-4. There was a problem updating the system. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings here, and you must check your PS user and account, and there is a storage. You must check the storage first. If you don't have enough storage, you must make a storage and then go to the system software update. Check it. If needs to update, you simply just up to date by using the internet, and check this one automatically downloaded. And here's the storage. You must check the storage, make a space, and then update it. And if you use the extended storage, it will be good. And in the last, what to do, you just go to the safe mode and turn off your PlayStation 5, then go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply you can rebuild the database or clear cache. Here you just check your system software is up to date or not. If you get the notification, you just simply update from the notifications. And here's the turn off your PlayStation 5. Go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database and a clear cache. You just do it both, and you can update your system software from there also. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.